Hi guys, it's Eddie on Eddie's Little Bites, and today I was asked to make cookies for our local St. Baldrick's, and today we're making peanut butter stuffed cookies from Delish.com. We're first gonna start by making the filling. We have to add 1/2 a cup of powdered sugar. Oh, wait. It's already everywhere. So don't. There's already a thing about it. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of peanut butter. Come on. Get out! Get! Bad dog in ya. There. That's like a little cave. Get off my spoon! Get off my spoon!
Watch this. Now scrape it off.
Okay, nice one.
Perfect.
Now we have to mix the sugar and peanut butter until smooth. This is what our peanut butter mixture is looks after. And now we're going to measure it in this thing and put it on the tray to freeze overnight. Let me see if this actually works. Remember, one of my videos, it didn't work. There, that's better. This is our batch of peanut butter filling, and we're gonna put them in the refrigerator over there.
The freezer, actually.
Oh, my fault. And wait overnight.
And then we will finish the cookies tomorrow. Because we need these frozen.
Welcome to part 2 of making the peanut butter cookies. But we're going to make a second batch.
Or a double batch. So everything that you're seeing today has been doubled from the original recipe.
So if you want to do this again, just cut it in half.
That's right, if you want to make a single. Good math, buddy. Score! Yeah!
Now we add the creamy peanut butter into the mixer of the peanut butter.
1 cup.
Man. Thank you, Dad. My assistant. Remember what he did yesterday? Woohoo!
Nice job.
Now we're going to add 2 sticks or 1 cup of butter. Wooden butter. Now we add 1/2 a cup of sugar. Oh, Eddie.
Perfect.
Look. It's like snow. Kids, don't like let this get everywhere because it could make a mess in your house. Now we add 1 cup of packed brown sugar. It's hard.
Pack it on in there. All right.
Now pour it in.
You got it.
It came out like an ice cream scoop. Now we mix on medium speed until fluffy. Yes. butter, it's like they're punching.
It's a butter fight.
Butter fight!
So that looks like it is nice and creamy there.
So can I turn it off?
Sure.
Now we're gonna crack 2 eggs and add 2 cups of vanilla.
Otherwise known as 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Nice cracking, dude.
I've been practicing my egg cracking. Now we're going to put the vanilla in. If I cannot spill it. Vote if I will spill it. Write in the comments below if I will spill it or if I'll not spill it. You'll find out. Okay. If you guessed, I would spill a little bit.
Did you do a costume change?
Yes. I made this no, my friend Anthony made it at school. If he is watching it, I'm going to shout out to Anthony. Hi, Anthony. Thank you for the crown. And now we're going to blend to combine. Now we add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt and 3 teaspoons of flour.
3 cups of flour.
Yeah.
Which is a lot, but we're doing a double batch. The aftermath. Yeah!
After mixing, this is what we should have. A mad potion. Now we place
Parchment paper.
parchment paper onto cookie trays, and then we scoop with this thing onto there.
There you go. Perfect.
Now we have to take the frozen peanut butter from yesterday and put it on the circles. This little guy's first.
And then you try to take the cookie dough and wrap around it and pinch it. Make like a little ball.
Okay.
Great job, bud. And then put it back on the parchment paper. Nice job.
This is what they look like when they're rolled up in a ball. And now we pour sugar into here to coat them so they can be safe from anything that tries to destroy them.
What about a cookie monster? Will the cookie monster destroy them?
No!
I'll put it in there and take it by the handle. And then you just twirl. No, the cup. Take the handle. No. There you go, like that. And it should get coated and then take it out.
That looks like a donut. A sugar donut.
And that's what it should look like before it's done. So we just pulled these out of the oven and they look delicious. So what are you going to do with those cookies?
I'm going to send them to our local St. Baldrick's for our bake sale.
And what are you going to do with the comments you get on this video?
I'm going to give 50 cents up to 50 to our local St. Paul trip.
Inconceivable.
That's a very nice thing you're gonna do.
Mm-hmm.
So what do we have left to do?
To try out one of the cookies.
Alright, well, I think they're still a little too hot, but once one cools, we will be back with your...
Final bubble.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna try the cookie.
With a fork?
Mmm. Oh, they're ooey gooey. Oh.
Oh yeah, they are. Look at the peanut butter in those. Might be hot.
Mmm. Mm-hmm.
Apparently you don't like them.
I love them.
Okay. So it was worth all the work, because these are very time consuming to make, right? But it was a lot of fun when, right?
Uh-huh.
What was your favorite part?
Sticking the sugar on the cookies.
Oh, see, I thought you were going to be getting all dirty with the peanut butter and the cookie dough.
So those were my two favorite parts. Subscribe and ring that bell.
Ding!
And comment where you want to go or play with or review.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
And don't talk with your mouth full like my son. See you next time. Bye! Making it.
Like.
Are you flossing?